10 terrain maps, mountains, deserts, forests, and more. Can you guess them all? Let's flex. Can you identify the mountains shown on the map below? These are the Himalayas. The Himalayas are still growing taller. In some places, the mountains rise by nearly 1 centimeter a year as Earth's plates keep pushing together. Can you identify the rainforest shown on the map below? This is the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest releases so much water into the air each day that it helps create clouds thousands of kilometers away. Can you identify the desert shown on the map below? This is the Sahara Desert. Hundreds of millions of tons of dust from the Sahara Desert travel across the Atlantic and help fertilize the Amazon rainforest. Can you identify the mountains shown on the map below? These are the Alps. A traveler named Ötzi from 5,000 years ago was found preserved in the ice of the Alps, complete with his bow, arrows, and even tattoos. Can you identify the savanna shown on the map below? This is the Serengeti. Every year, millions of animals move across the Serengeti, creating large dust clouds that can be seen in satellite images from space. Can you identify the mountains shown on the map below? These are the Rocky Mountains. The Rockies act like a water divider, sending rain on one side towards the Pacific Ocean and rain on the other side towards the Atlantic Ocean. Can you identify the desert shown on the map below? This is the Gobi Desert. The first dinosaur eggs were discovered in the Gobi Desert. Long ago, this dry desert was a much greener place where dinosaurs once lived. Can you identify the mountains shown on the map below? These are the Andes. The Andes are the longest mountain range on land. They stretch for about 7,000 kilometers along South America. Can you identify the plateau shown on the map below? This is the Colorado Plateau. Over millions of years, the Colorado River has carved the Grand Canyon through the colorful layers of the Colorado Plateau. Can you identify the desert shown on the map below? This is Antarctica. Antarctica is a polar desert. Some parts have ice kilometers thick, yet have not seen rain or snow for millions of years. How many did you get right? Thanks for watching. Let's make our brains stronger, one quiz at a time. See you on the next adventure.